that's my brother. Good news, I got a new camera and hence I am starting a weekly vlog series. So the camera that I have is the Canon G7x Mark II. It is the best camera for vlogging and it took me so long to get my hands on this, so I finally have it. And it also has a flip screen. I've never had a camera with a flip screen and I'm freaking out because of how convenient this is. Me and my brother are working on a music track right here. And we've tried to record something for the first time, so we're figuring out how to use GarageBand. And we have recorded a track so far. And my brother played the uke and I was singing Nothing Holding Me Back by Shawn Mendes. So we've been practicing covers and different songs on the uke and him playing the guitar for many months, and we tried recording a lot of covers. This is the first time we tried using a software. So we're trying our luck with it and I think it's working out. It's the nicest sounding track I have ever recorded. I don't know if it's good, but at least it sounds good to me. Hey guys! Today is a Monday, so it's the first day of the week. I usually really don't like Mondays anymore because it means that I have to answer emails and do like some adult stuff. But on the agenda for today is that I'm uploading my Cherrapunji vlog. I am so excited about this. It took me about like 4 days to edit it straight and I'm so happy with how it turned out. I tried fancy editing and fancy transitions and color correction and all that jazz. And look at the thumbnail. I am so happy with it. Oh my god, guys, on the last video that I uploaded, which is the Mohak Math Sejal video, it's only been a day or maybe 2 days since I uploaded and oh my goodness, what is happening? This is amazing. Like the feedback that I've got from you guys on this is just brilliant. Thank you guys. Okay, so my video uploading thing is done. The video is doing really well. It's been like what, 5-10 minutes and it's already crossed over 2,000 views, which is so cool. So next up on today's mission is to clean and set my room. So my room has changed quite a bit. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you would know that my room was not as white as it is now. So I got the cupboards changed to white and the bed here is also now white. So while the room renovation stuff was happening, I did film a bit, so I'm gonna put it here. So I am working on the decor for my room right now. I am super excited about these frames. This is like DIY. I got these frames made from my local market. They were for 250 rupees each and I printed these really cute prints out from Pinterest. Basically, these are the cities that I want to go to. LA, Amsterdam. Okay, I'm going to tell you guys in the next vlog. Hint, hint. Hello! So today I have come to pick Mohak up from his Nana Nani's house. He lives really close to my house and guys, I have started driving. Look at that. I'm sitting at the driver's seat. We are headed to one of my friend's house whose name is Anirudh Bhatia, but we call him Buddy. So we're headed to Buddy's house. He is an amazing singer and guitarist. So I've been wanting to do a song with him for the longest time. So we have been practicing a song. There he is. And it's raining. Oh my god, look at him. Bro! Say hi to my new camera! Wow! You have to come this side because you have to drive. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. क्या कह रहा है? क्या कह रहा है?
Stop!
What? Stop what?
Stop irritating me. I'm trying to drive and it's raining outside.
I'm irritating you?
Yes.
You're
let me
irritating
focus.
me.
Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Let me focus.
Okay, यार कौन सा रास्ते ले जा रहा है हमें?
We are going to VK via Paharganj.
कुछ रास्ते नहीं पता कितने सालों से ड्राइव कर रहे हैं मुआ क्या कर रहे हैं तू ही बता यार कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम ये क्या है हम बसंत कुंज जा रहे हैं इस रास्ते से Mohak has never been able to give me a nickname.
I have.
Wait. I'm very good at giving nicknames. I've given Mohak some 150 million nicknames till now.
No.
And
you
one
might
that
have given me 150 but not given me 150 million.
बहुत सारे
Why are you lying to your subscribers?
So Mohak has come up with a name right now. क्या है Mohak?
Sejal. That's your new name now.
It is the most blah name I've ever heard in my life. Stop. No. फील आ जाती है ये वाला पार्ट सुन के बहुत फील आ जाती है तेरी तरह खुशबू चले तारे हमारी तरह रातों से मिले सुनी रही ज़माने ने तेरी is Wednesday and today I am filming. So I have the entire thing set up. It looks so pretty. I'm so proud of myself. Wait, you can't see. I am so proud of myself for putting up the lights and cleaning up my room and putting the dog here. That's what I'm most proud about. So I am filming the video with Benefit today and they sent me so many products that I have to use in the video. And I am in love, guys. I'm in love. Their products are so amazing and even this bag is so pretty. Look at it. This is basically like a makeup kind of video. Not exactly like a makeup tutorial. It's a little bit different. It's sort of like a sketch-ish kind of thing. So let's get started. Hey! So filming is going well. We've done about 3 scenes now. I wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing firstly. Guys, this is what all YouTubers do. Because the shot is only till here, I'm wearing something nice on top and then my pajama shorts. So for the longest time, I thought everyone was getting so bored with my same old background. I was getting so bored with it. And I thought like a good, like a set can make your videos look so much better. And I'm so happy with this new setup. Hey guys, so the last clip must have been a little bit confusing, like why have 5 random girls dancing randomly. So basically I am planning a dance video. Woohoo! So I've been wanting to do this for so long and do it properly. Wait, my head's getting cut off. 1 second. Like I've been dancing since I was 14 and I love dancing so much. So I found a group of girls. They have a channel on YouTube too. It's called Venom and they do really awesome routines. So I asked them if they wanted to do a collab video together and they were like, let's do it. So yeah, we've been rehearsing. We had 2 rehearsals yet and I almost broke my leg while rehearsing with them because their routines are pretty kick-ass. Right now I am working on the cover me and my brother performed. We recorded at home on GarageBand without a proper mic. We did it on our earphones. But I think it sounds pretty decent. But yesterday I was so skeptical if I should even post this video because of what people would say and hate comments. People on YouTube can get very mean as well, like very critical. But then I thought about it that it's alright man, F the haters. And I mean sometimes it really hurts when people say bad things about you because even I'm a human man, I'm a human. But I thought yesterday that people's opinions shouldn't stop me from doing what I really want to do. That's the entire reason why I started a YouTube channel in the first place. Everyone in my college thought I was really stupid for starting a channel. But I loved it, I didn't give a shit. Let's do it. I don't care. I like it. I am gonna do it. Update. So we're in the car and we're gonna go watch Harry Met Sejal and we have Mr. Pratik, Mr. Mohak.
What's up?
We're terribly late. Our movie is at 4 and Mohak time क्या हो रहा है अभी?
3:37.
Great. तेरी ads miss हो जाएंगी. I'm sorry.
मैं लिख के दे रहा हूँ मूवी मिस करवाएगा मुआ.
Guys, so we finally reached the mall. I won't be able to take the camera inside the movie, of course. Otherwise, I'll be doing piracy. So I'm gonna tell you guys about the movie. I'll tell you guys about the movie when I come back. Bye. Guys, the movie was just so bad. Oh my god. Mohak was hitting his face throughout the movie. Pratik was punching me and I was sleeping. It was just so bad. Hey guys, so today is Saturday and I'm actually headed to my school. My school has called me to judge a business-based competition that they're having, which is quite crazy. I'm very excited to go and also I'm very nervous because this is the first time I'm judging something, that too a business competition. So I have no idea what I'm going to do. I am nervous about what I'm going to say, but this should be fun. Also, I tried really hard to dress up in a formal way and look like a grown-up so that they take me seriously. So I got done with the event at school. It was actually really good. Like I learned quite a lot and it was so awesome. Like I was catching up on all my old memories and our school is so pretty, you guys. Like it is the prettiest place in Delhi and I saw the most beautiful peacock ever. So now I am at my best friend Tanisha's house. Oh, sorry. Hi, but so bad. Hello. Guys, so I'm with my friend Anirudh, but his name is Buddy. Everyone call him Buddy.
Hi everybody.
We're actually singing a song. Worked hard. We found a studio. He found a studio that we're going to record at. So we're practicing in the car and we're recording today. This is so cool. So exciting. खुशबू चले Hey guys, so we've reached inside the recording studio and it's honestly so cool, and with this awesome equipment, and the sound engineer made us practice our part. So how they're going to record it is they're going to do it in different layers. So Buddy is going to record his guitar part first, and I'm going to do my singing part, then he's going to do his singing part. So he's inside the recording booth right now and he's a little bit nervous, but it's going to be so exciting. I'm so excited for this. So I just finished up my part. It's actually quite nerve-wracking to sing over there. My voice was quivering in the beginning, but I'm pretty happy with what we recorded. I think it sounds really nice. Hey guys, so I forgot to end the vlog yesterday. My mom and I went shopping today for a lot of stuff for my room. We're going to set all that up right now. So I'm going to end the vlog here. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Bye!